This na Jigo Press in action. With the right na Tuyo. Now the Kankodu Road, Kankodu Guinea border road. See the Dosa. They're really determined for reaching Fiama maybe the next 1 week. This art moving or bush clearing will go on na Fiama. In terms of the surveyor for survey the line for the drainages, the middle partition for separate the line, they surveyor then they around Tuyo, and the stone drilling and blasting also the ongoing within a Kisiton boundary now. Now they within now for the blast the stone them. Then when you go na the campsite na the quarry, you see motorcar dumper and they transport the stone then for because the crusher almost ready, they don't make the ramp. The ramp now outside the crusher, and they go up for go outside the dumper, and they go up for go turn the stone now the crusher for crush the stone then. So from now to November, the drainage work then will start when are the road construction proper. It will start from now to November. This now just bush clearing. Now to your school with this, so now you see school picking the hot snap. Everybody gladdy. And this morning I go sound the opinion of people, and to your the chief, Mr. Alpha, when the driver senior chairman for Kono. We all been in at Tuyo this morning. The people when are APC people then believe saying at 10 years everybody they rule, and that President Bio wait to do so. No other president not do it for them. So they say this one nobody know yet for tell again. They're ready for vote for President Bio come 2023. All right, so I don't see for ourselves. They are when they say the road no the lie progress. You can imagine the amount of fuel with those are they use for the burn for the day, close to 700 liters. Now before me, then the fuel in the morning. This part waiting up the short one, and then at the fuel depot, and there are some of the workers them. So you can imagine where the machine they burn 700 liters, then people are ready before they tell President Bio thank you. They say na fake. But this fake, let them count their own fake lossy. So my family, you are the wherever you did. This now the walk where they go on. You see where you go look far. You see the excavator. Make a zoom in. This now the doors are the cam. But where you look far, see the excavator. Sorry, this is not the excavator. The grader. They can't engrade the road after where the doors are done. Clear the bush. The grader they come the grade. Whereas the excavator they go and clear bush.